Suzuki just dropped something massive, and we mean that literally. The 2026 Suzuki RM-Z1050 is here to dominate, and it's unlike anything the motocross world has seen before. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're diving deep into Suzuki's bold new beast and exploring what makes it truly special. Design. Let's start with design. Suzuki went all in with an aggressive, muscular appearance that commands attention immediately. The signature championship yellow pops beautifully against black accents and sharp graphics. A completely redesigned frame reduces weight while increasing rigidity, and the streamlined bodywork improves aerodynamics noticeably. The slim seat-to-tank transition allows excellent rider movement. This bike looks powerful and purposeful from every angle. Performance is where Suzuki RM-Z1050 truly shines. The massive 1049cc twin-cylinder engine produces breathtaking power while maintaining surprising control. Suzuki's advanced engine mapping ensures smooth delivery whether you're accelerating hard or navigating technical sections. The KYB suspension package offers exceptional adjustability and absorbs impacts beautifully. Braking performance is equally impressive, with large discs providing confident stopping power in any condition. Features and technology. Technology takes center stage here. The Suzuki RM-Z1050 features Suzuki's intelligent ride system with customizable power modes and launch control. Integrated traction management adapts to changing terrain seamlessly. The clean digital dashboard displays critical data clearly, including lean angle and throttle response settings. Conclusion. The 2026 Suzuki RM-Z1050 pushes boundaries and redefines expectations. This machine offers serious capability for serious riders. What do you think about Suzuki's bold move? Share your thoughts in the comments. If this review helped you, smash that like button, share with fellow riders, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more content. Catch you in the next one!